Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your bank account on OnlyFans. So let's get started. First of all, log into your OnlyFans account using your username and password. Once you are on the home page, click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop down menu, select Become a Creator. Now, if you already have a bank account linked, you'll need to remove it first before adding the new one. To do this, click on the existing bank account and select Delete or Remove depending on what option shows up. After that, click on Add a bank account to input your new bank details. Make sure to carefully enter the correct account number, routing number, and any other required information. Double check everything before saving to avoid payout issues later on. Once you are done, hit save and your new bank account will be set up for payouts. It might take a short while for OnlyFans to verify your new details, so keep an eye on your notification. Also, remember to make sure your identity verification is complete for a smooth transaction. And that's it. Now you know how to change bank account on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.